Hazrat Abu al-Hasan Ali ibn Usman al-Hijwiri, famously known as Data Ganj Bakhsh, was a great Sufi saint, scholar and spiritual guide whose teachings continue to inspire millions of people around the world. Hazrat Ali Hujwiri was born around 1009 CE, 400 AH, in Gujdawan, a small town near Ghazni in present-day Afghanistan. He belonged to the Sayyid lineage, tracing his ancestry to Hazrat Imam Hassan ibn Ali Are, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. From childhood, he displayed remarkable intelligence, piety, and a deep inclination towards spirituality. He memorized the Holy Quran at a young age and studied hadith, fiqh, Islamic jurisprudence, and tafsir, Quranic interpretation, under renowned scholars of his time. Despite excelling in religious knowledge, his heart sought a deeper spiritual connection with Allah. To quench his spiritual thirst, Hazrat Ali Hujwiri travelled extensively across Central Asia, the Middle East and the Indian subcontinent, meeting numerous Sufi masters and saints. He spent years in the company of great teachers like Hazrat Abul Fadl al-Khuttali and Hazrat Abu Sa'id al-Kharaz, refining his understanding of tasawwuf or Sufism. He eventually became a leading disciple of Hazrat Abul Fadl al-Khuttali, who trained him in spiritual discipline and entrusted him with the mission of spreading Islam and Sufism. On his spiritual journey, Hazrat Ali Hujwiri received divine guidance to travel to Lahore, present-day Pakistan, to spread the message of Islam and guide people towards truth and righteousness. Arriving in Lahore around 1040 CE, he found the region deeply rooted in Hindu and Buddhist traditions. Through his unmatched wisdom, humility and compassion, he invited people to Islam without force or conflict. His open-hearted generosity and knowledge of Islamic sciences earned him the title Ganj Bakhsh, meaning the bestower of spiritual treasures. Hazrat Data Ganj Bakhsh was not only a preacher but also a prolific writer. His most celebrated book, Kashf al-Mahjoob, Revelation of the Veiled, is considered the first comprehensive text on Sufism in Persian. It explains spiritual concepts like divine love, purification of the soul, and the journey towards Allah in a way that remains relevant to this day. True love for Allah and His Prophet, peace be upon him, service to humanity, spiritual discipline and self-purification, tolerance and coexistence among people of different faiths. Hazrat Ali Hujwiri devoted the rest of his life to guiding seekers of truth in Lahore. His spiritual gatherings became centers of learning, attracting disciples from far and wide. In 1072 CE, 465 AH, Hazrat Data Ganj Bakhsh passed away in Lahore, leaving behind a spiritual legacy that would transcend generations. He was buried in the same city, where his shrine now stands as a beacon of spirituality and peace. Today, Data Darbar in Lahore is one of the largest and most visited Sufi shrines in South Asia. Millions visit annually to pay respects, seeking blessings and spiritual guidance. Saints like Hazrat Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Are later referred to him as Ganj Bakhsh, acknowledging his generosity in bestowing divine knowledge and spiritual treasures.